And the first thing is, this doesn't happen to people like me. You know, in Jamaica, there was this view, and I think that probably it still exists, that is only poor people have this experience. Here I am. I'm a big lawyer. I'm an important person in the society. And I found myself in a relationship where somebody was abusing me. And my initial response to that was to be ashamed. I was ashamed that I made a choice to marry somebody who could do this to me. First of all, I didn't believe it was happening to me. And then secondly, how could I have put myself in this situation? How could I have done that? And so the shame was there. I didn't tell anybody what was happening to me. And as you say, as close as my family was, they didn't know. And for many, many years, even after I started talking about it, they had no idea what it is that I went through.
Okay, I'm going to stick up in there, and you're going to talk to me a little bit about the extent of the abuse. You pretty much made up your mind when you saw what was going on that you were going to go, Aloun.
Yes.
But you ran up into a complication.
Yes.
You got pregnant.
I got pregnant shortly after I got married. And by then, I knew that I was not going to stay in this marriage. And I also knew that if I had this child, I would be bound to this man for years to come. And I prayed. I prayed to God that he would take the child. I got up every day and I said, Lord, you know I can't live in this. I'm asking you, please do not allow me to have this child. And I lost the baby. All I can say is that God is good. Because I knew that if I had that child, I was going to have to walk away from that child for my own sake, for my own health, for my own life. I knew. And I prayed to God and said, you know, God, don't let me have this child.
But you lost the child, Aloun, and he beat you for losing the child.
Yes. Because he said that I had a son, because my son Dominic was, at the time, Dominic was about 12, that I caused him to lose a child, and I already had a child for myself.